Getting a DUI is a serious matter. Regardless of the facts of your case, did you know that you can lose your license and driving privileges if the proper legal steps are not taken within 10 business days of your arrest for driving under the influence? A DUI arrest actually results in 2 cases against you. One case by the criminal courts and the other by the Georgia Department of Driver Services, also known as the DDS. Completely separate from the criminal courts, the government has the ability to suspend your driver's license for 1 year at the DDS license suspension hearing. When you were arrested, the police officer should have taken away your license and given you a yellow temporary license. Yet, some inexperienced officers either don't take your license or won't issue you the temporary yellow license. After 10 business days, if you do nothing, your license will be suspended for at least 1 year. No exceptions. This means you can't drive at all. Not to work, not to school, not even to the grocery store, not anywhere. This suspension can be avoided if you act quickly. If an attorney properly requests a hearing for you within 10 business days of your arrest, then your license and your driving privileges in Georgia can be saved. When an attorney represents you at the license suspension hearing, your driving privileges can be restored. However, the criminal court system can still take away your license and driving privileges. That's right. The state has 2 bites at the apple, 2 chances to try and suspend your driving privileges. This is where competent legal representation can save you from losing your driver's license. We use several proven strategies to win both the license suspension hearing and the criminal court cases for DUI charges. We check the police report, the videotape, the breathalyzer calibration, and other scientific evidence for crucial discrepancies and omissions. Errors happen much more often than you think. Keep in mind, the officers are often writing reports and collecting evidence when they're tired, in the early morning hours after they've made many late-night DUI arrests. We use our expertise, private investigators, and expert witnesses who are former police officers now working with us to find technicalities that can save your driving privileges and have your case dismissed. In a recent case, we saved a client's license whose breath test was almost 3 times over the legal limit after he had crashed his car into another vehicle, and yet we were able to show the officer made crucial errors that forced the prosecution to dismiss the DUI. A DUI arrest is devastating, and a DUI conviction is life-changing. It could permanently stain your record with implications to your family, friends. You could even lose your job. Don't lose your license by exceeding the 10-day rule, and don't gamble with your future. Call the Abt Law Firm and get experienced DUI legal representation. You can call me or my staff 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-NO-JAIL-9. That's 1-800-665-2459.